Basic KNX devices required for KNX system. Hi, welcome back to my channel. For this video we will be introduced to the basic types of devices needed to complete a KNX system. The first device needed is a KNX power supply. The power supply functions to supply 30-volt DC voltage to the bus line. 230-volt voltage is connected to the power supply to turn it on. Next, this power supply will provide output voltage of 30 volts DC. The second device needed is a sensor. Here we use a push button as a sensor. 30 volts DC will be connected from the power supply to the push button using a bus cable. Through this connection, the push button gets power to turn it on. KNX sensor detect a condition and send a telegram or signal to the KNX bus. The third device required in the system is the actuator. There are various types of actuators, and the one shown is a switching actuator. Just like the sensor, the actuator is also supplied with 30 volts DC via a bus cable. The actuator will be turned on with this voltage. The actuator will receive the telegram or signal sent by the sensor. Next, the actuator will perform the action like switch the light. Apart from supplying DC power to KNX devices, the bus line also functions for sending telegrams and communication between KNX devices. These three devices are what are needed to complete the basic KNX system. KNX power supply, KNX sensor, KNX actuator. Let's test the mind with the following situations to determine whether the minimal structure is met or not. KNX push button, KNX touch panel, KNX switching actuator, KNX dimming actuator, KNX shutter actuator. This does not meet the minimum structure of KNX system. There are no power supply installed in the system. Without a power supply, other KNX devices will not be able to turn on.